I believe in miracles since you came along, you sexy thing. Okay, let's go. Welcome to Shelly Saves the Day. On my channel I do life hacks, tech tips, and beauty videos, including Boxycharm unboxings just like this one. So if that's something you're interested in, consider subscribing. You guys know Boxycharm is always my favorite beauty box of the month. And I don't know why, but the gods have smiled on me this month. I don't know. And it's not even the middle of the month and I got my Boxycharm. I'm like, this is the best day ever. I literally just got it today. I ran downstairs and I was like, I had a different video planned for Sunday, which is Mother's Day, which is when you're watching this today, I believe. But I was like, you know what? Nope, I'm gonna film this real quick and I'm gonna get this up. So that is a quick turnaround, which is I'm filming on Friday and it's going up on Sunday. So, and I release, you guys, you know, at like 7:30 in the morning. So that means like I only have one day to edit this. So let's get into it. This is Boxycharm for May. So I'm so excited. Speaking of Mother's Day plans, you guys have to let me know, what are you doing for Mother's Day? What gift did you get your mother? What gift did you receive if you are a mother? Let me know these things. I'm super curious. And I have a video coming up and I will show you what I got my mom for Mother's Day too, okay? First thing in the box is going to be, I like it when they have a palette. So there's a palette in here. It's got a little sleeve on it, and pull this off. Ooh, it's by Pure. And I feel like Pure has given us like 3 different palettes and I love that about them. So thank you, Pure. I heart you so much. Pure gave us the Pure eyeshadow palette. They gave us like, 2 eyeshadow palettes actually. I'm pretty sure because they had one that was like all the browns and naturals, and then they had that one that was like the beachy one. Oh, so pretty. The Take Me to Paradise or something. And then this one, this is the Pure Sculptor palette. Ooh, pretty. So look at this. Kind of reminds me of one of those like ANASTASIA glow kits almost, but it's got a little bit of highlight, got a little bit of like the bronzing slash contour is colors. I am super excited about this. Oh, and they have names. Originator, this is Trailblazer, Inventor, and Founder. So this is beautiful, and I think that you could also use these as like eyeshadows, and I love it when you can do like multi-purpose with a single palette. So I love that. I love Pure Cosmetics, so so good. So this is that. And you know what? I think one time in a box they gave us like lashes, which weren't my thing. But let me tell you something about lashes, you guys. I'm starting to come around, only because I also know that when I'm filming, I need to have lashes on, because otherwise my eyes, it just seems like something is not quite right. So I actually decided, I was like, okay, at least when I'm filming, I will put on lashes. So I did a big lashes haul, and I will show you guys that. It's coming up in the video next week, which you'll see. All right, so the next thing in here, this is from CoverFX. I love CoverFX. They've got great stuff. This is the blurring primer. Nice, okay. And let's see, a blurring primer that instantly minimizes the appearance of pores, fine lines to create a super smooth, flawless airbrushed look. Well, I like everything that said. Oh, it's got a little, let me pull that off. And let's see here. It says not for resale on it. I was like, is that the color? Oh, it's kind of that smooth slip and feel like you get when you get the Benefit Professional. I'm trying to determine if it has like a smell that I don't like, but it's not so bad. Awesome, excited to try this out, and it's full size, I love that. The next item in here is from Pretty Vulgar, and Pretty Vulgar, they have got really cute packaging, I know, and you can get them at Sephora. This is super cute. It looks like a little, like a fountain ink, like that you would dip your quill into or something like that. Let me see if you can look inside. It's got a silver cap. Okay, and then down in there, if you can see, it's a gel eyeliner. This is the Ink 01 Blacklist Gel Eyeliner, and I feel like I need some way to, okay, we're just gonna set that aside for a second, because the next thing I see in here is a liquid lipstick, and this is from Han Skincare Cosmetics All Natural Lip Gloss with antioxidants and vitamins. So that is cool. Is there a color in here? This is called Raspberry Chardonnay, which, ooh, side note, so one of my favorite shops in Seattle, Kirkland, they have a few at airports. There's a shop called Lady Yum, and she does French macarons, champagne. I mean, everything about that place, it's as magical as I just made it sound. Yes, French macarons and champagne. One of my favorite flavors, in fact, it was one of my wedding flavors, was Raspberry Chardonnay, because they used a local Raspberry Chardonnay black pepper jam and with a vanilla like buttercream frosting in it. Oh, it was so good. It was such a good flavor. So This I'm super excited about because this is right up my alley in this color as well, so I'm super excited about that. So the next item in here is a brush, and this is from AESTHETICA, and this is the P12 brush. And let's see here. Okay, so it's actually got quite a long brush, but it's not super finely packed, so it's kind of floppy. So I don't know, maybe good for like contouring softly or something. I'm not sure because I don't know if I would, I'm not sure what else I would use that for. Maybe for brush. Okay, or blush. A brush for blush. You know what I mean. And then actually, as I look in here, I have another 3-pack of brushes. This is from AESTHETICA as well. And there's like an eyebrow spoolie, a little, oh, you know what? I'm gonna use one of these to swatch out that eyeliner because there's an angled one, which is really good if you're using that kind of like angled brush for eyebrows or for, you know, doing your wing or something like that. And then there's like a tiny little thin brush like this, good for pencil lining. So actually maybe I'll use that one. And then little spoolie, of course. So let's get into this guy. So I'm just gonna go right in there and see. I'm pretty sure, I think I coated it too much actually. Okay, that's not bad. Okay, that brush worked pretty well actually, so, and the eyeliner doesn't look too bad, so I will give this one a shot and see how that goes. I'm excited about the brush set. I will say though, 4 brushes. I got 4 brushes, 1 lipstick, and yes, I got the, oh yeah, I got the primer and this. There's a lot of brushes this month, right? I don't know if you guys got a box and you got the brush set plus another of the face brush as well, so let me know if you got that or if you got something completely different because I'm just curious why I got so many brushes, but I guess I can't complain because I really like brushes. But you guys already know the details on this box, $21 a month. If you're interested in signing up, which I think you should because it's awesome, and be box buddies with me, I'll put a link in the description box. You can go check it out for yourself. But that is my box for the month of May. I hope you guys have an awesome Mother's Day. Link below what you're doing or what you got your mom for Mother's Day. Okay, I would love to hear that. And I will talk to you guys in a video very soon. Bye guys!